See if the fridge is working. Nope. Oh my goodness. We're so done with snow. Okay, here comes Paola. Okay, Andrew's got it done. Now he's got to put it back on it. Wow. Say, early morning scripture reading. Paola's up ready to go. Ambry's up kind of ready to go. And he's still in bed. I got to get him up.
Yep, 35.
So go ahead.
Wait, where do I start reading?
You start any way you want. We'll catch up where you start.
We're at chapter 4.
Chapter 4.
Verse 1. Year of the Lion of the Jews.
Momma fans, let's get some breakfast going for these kids and see what today brings. Papa O's awake because he's got to teach school today.
Yeah.
Yep, so we got to get everybody fed. Let's get some pancakes going here.
Oh, you
These are
found it.
pancakes.
You found it.
And Evie's up. Did you get underwear? Okay, the electricity went out over on that side of the house. So I'm trying to cook the pancakes here. What?
What if the dogs eat it?
Well, Evie's watching.
Wait a minute.
The light's on.
You fixed it. And no.
You keep him away, okay? See if the fridge is working. Nope. We're trying to figure out where the circuit breaker is. Yeah. Okay, you keep the dogs away. All right. Push the. Is it not working?
Yeah.
Oh, well, use it to keep the dogs away. Okay, are they cooking? All right. So we got Grandpa down there trying to figure out how to flip the circuit. The dogs, go, hurry. The dogs, go. You're in charge of keeping the dogs away. We got to find an outlet that works. You got one? Okay. They're not ready yet. See, these cooked and then the circuit broke. I Marco Polo'd Davy, so I don't know if he'll respond back. Weather's terrible out there. Paola and Zaid had to walk to the bus stop. Thought we were gonna get light snow. Yeah, I had to bring Papa to teach school. Evie's asleep. I gotta be back by 12 for Ender and then come back and get Grandpa. He's got to clean his car off. Oh my goodness. We're so done with snow. Made it back. They got the roads all cleared off and Ender's home. He wants to start sewing. Huh? He wants to sew. Let's see your swimsuit. Turn around.
But Grandma,
Huh?
you know how Paola went after me?
Uh-huh.
It's mostly Ambry and Daisy that comes after me.
That comes after you where?
Home.
Oh, home. Yes, you're home first. When I got the circuit breaker to get the fridge back on. Now I know how to do it. Get the microwave back on, and now I know do not plug two things in that one because it'll make that go out and that go out, and this won't even work, and that'll go out too. So now I know. Okay, Anders started on the second row already, huh?
Yeah, now we just have 2 of those.
Okay. We're getting there. You staying on the edge? I mean away from the edge?
Yeah.
Alright. And Evie went potty. So she's picking out her 2 Play-Dohs and 2 stickers. You got them picked out? Okay. Look at you. Right outfit there. It's a grapefruit. The apples and oranges. Pancake chocolate chips, bacon, wants hot chocolate. My goodness, I think you're hungry. Okay, Paola missed the bus because she went to lunch with her friends. So I gotta go get her and I think take her swimming. Oh, let's see. There she is.
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome. Where do we go now?
I don't know.
Do you go home or
just go
swimming?
home, yeah.
Oh, made it back and I got to unpick one row of Ender's blanket. We put it in the wrong spot. And I'm getting some sketty made. Get that water boiling. And Paola is feeding the start for the dough bread. Sourdough bread.
It's the best bread ever.
You got to feed it every day.
But if you want to do it, you have to do like at 11 p.m. and then wake up at 6 and put it in that thing and then leave it there for like 1 hour and then put
Because it's dark?
because it's hot.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, it's hot down in there. Oh, right there. Oh. Okay, we got Ender and Evie coming with us. And I forgot that I signed I'm going to pick Papa O up, and I forgot I signed up to feed the missionaries. Luckily, I had some sketty already made, some toast, and I have some brownies that Papa O made. So I'm going to pack them up and tell the missionaries that it's going to be pack and go. So here we go. So luckily I made spaghetti already, and I got sketty and toast and brownies. So we're okay. And Evie has fallen asleep again. There's Papa O.
He wanted to check the toys out.
So I checked the toys out. They want to sit and play for about 20 minutes, then we'll head out. And Evie's picking out some more dresses. Oh dear. She just can't stand it. What you got picked out?
And
Ariel swimsuit.
and those two pants.
And 2 pants. Pants would be in here. Okay, we made it back to the house.
I don't want to do that.
Do what?
I want to like it.
Okay. Go finish up Ender's quilt.
And then we don't want to see you.
All right, back up to the quilt. Come on. Zaid is just loving making stuff. Looks like another ring. That must be the easiest thing to make. It's amazing. Okay, Anders got it done. Now we've got to put it back on it. Wow.
Baby, get off of me.
Okay, lay down on it so we can see how big it is. All done. Ta-da. Good job. Now we've got to put it back on it. Well, it only took about an hour and a half to get everybody to bed. That Evie was just wired up. Boy. Okay, we'll close with a couple of quotes.
Okay, Abraham Lincoln, whatever you are, be a good one.
Be a good one, whatever you are. And do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? That you do.
That's good.
Yeah, that's a good one. And thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And we'll probably see you tomorrow. It's been quite the last couple of days. I'll see you and see you tomorrow brings end. Remember to look for the rose. And good night.
My family is forever and I love them. I'm proud to say that they're all my best friends. We'd sleep out in the treehouse or just plain having fun, or lying in the tall grass in the sun. We'd play a game called Kick the Can. It was our favorite. Oh, I remember it. Whoa, whoa. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. Childhood days are the best I know, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Nana, Billy Goat can catch me. When we were kids, we were happy and free. We ate green apples and we stole a lot of peas. I'll always remember times like these. Sometimes we go over to the creekland and swing on a rope that I thought would never end. We jump into the water while swinging from the trees. We got close from times like these. We'd go on walks and have midnight talks. Sometimes